Check the Anderson shutter out there, guys. Paraffin heater, your bunks, everything like that. Your sandbag would have been out in your garden, remember? This is someone's blown up house. There's a child in there, look. Quite a little good wall display there. I'm about to put a flashlight on because it's really dark in here. Now all the noise has stopped.
Is this the air raid simulator?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the air raid simulator, guys. Cool.
Simulator or simulation?
Simulation. You can stop that and read them if you can, guys. But yeah, look at that, look. Nice little simulation. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. We're a contractor again soon. Thank you very much.